Okay, now we will try to revert on Citrix Delivery Controller upgrade and also database upgrade. We will try to revert it, so in case you have encountered errors during the delivery controller upgrade or during the database upgrade, and you are in a productive environment and you need to get back to the point where everything is working, you will need to revert. So before we start, in another video I've done the upgrade, and immediately after the upgrade I published this application, and you can also see in the log database that we have created this new object. So I will power off the server. So we are reverting from 2203 CU4 to 2203 CU3. I'm going to the SQL server, and I the first task I need to do here, I need to take it offline, take the database offline so that I don't have any connections to it. And then revert to one backup that we have. Where is that? Restore here, restore database. Oh, we've done a backup before we started the upgrade. So we select this one and we go with OK. The database has been restored and it automatically brings it online. Now we have to revert our server from the snapshot. So this is our server, and we go with revert. Let's see. This doesn't take so much time, but revert completed. Okay. We power on the server. And we wait for it to be completely available. It should be fast enough. Okay, let's try to connect to it. Okay, so before I start Studio, I just want to check the database version. This is the first thing that you need to check. So thanks. Get broker installed the version. Okay, so we are back to version 2203 CU3. So this is a good sign. So this means that the revert process was successful. Now we need to launch Studio. Okay, so let's go to logging. So as you can see, um, this because we reverted the database, none of the changes that we made after the upgrade are visible. So in the logging, you can see there are no logs from today, because today is the 22nd, and we no longer have our application published, but everything else is kept. So you have all the information since you created the database backup. One thing that you should test a new session. Let's test that now after you reverted. And it's one of those desktops, this one I believe. It's strange that it sees it as a virus or something. Okay, so session connection works. We are normally as of this point back to the old version. So you have the old DDC version, the river controller version, and also have the old database. So this was it. Those are the steps that you need to do to revert in case an upgrade fails.